Miva.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Miva.com, which is an e-commerce platform that offers a comprehensive suite of tools for businesses to build and manage their online stores. It provides a customizable templates, secure payment processing, and inventory management features. Miva.com empowers businesses to create a seamless shopping experience for customers while offering robust analytics to track performance and optimize sales. With a user-friendly interface and scalable solutions, Miva.com is a valuable platform for e-commerce ventures of all sizes. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform, and here you can see the solutions that this platform offers: e-commerce platform, managed integration, B2B wholesaler, B2C retail, DTC manufacturer, B2B and DTC, and also mid-size business, enterprise. And here we have the customers. We can see the featured stars and the case studies. So let's see the featured stars in this platform. So this is some famous stars that are featured in this platform, as you can see. So this is some stars that are hosted in the platform. You can check any one of them. So let's select this one to check it. Review project. So you can see the store. As you can see, you can scroll down and check the store and see if you like it. You can continue with this platform. So here we go to partners. You can see the technology partners, agency partners, and here you have the resources, resource library, infographics, guides, webinars, white papers, videos, tools, and you can view all from here. And here you have the Miva blog section where we have the e-commerce selling, e-commerce marketing, transform e-commerce, and so on. And here we have the pricing. So let's check the pricing first before requesting a demo in the platform. So before seeing the pricing, we need first to tell them a little bit about our business, so they will match us with one of their solution experts, and you can also talk to them at their number, as you can see here. So we need to fill this information, but before, let's scroll down a little. So let's go back, put our first name, last name, email, company name, and our phone number. Then we give them our company website and our country and region, and then we proceed to get pricing info. So they give us the thanks message, will be in touch soon. So they say we can't wait to show you what Miva can do for your business. So you can book a consultation from here. As you can see, Miva makes it possible 3 steps to succeeding as an online seller. You see the things that they will do to your business: launch your web store, increase sales and grow, scale your business, and also they will taught you how to grow, sell, and succeed online by visiting their e-commerce resource library. So let's visit the e-commerce resource library. So here we can see we can filter by format or by topic, and here we can see some interesting blogs. Miva 2023 Customer Townhill, how to use ChatGPT AI to write product descriptions, 15 conversion optimization techniques for selling more online. So just by reading these blogs and articles, you can learn a lot more in the e-commerce business. So let's check the partners section. As you can see, technology partners. Let's see their technology partners and integrations. You have the partner with PayPal, UPS Ready, Authorize.net, Search Spring, Square, a Parcel, Stamps, Indicia, Amazon Pay, FedEx. So they have a lot of partners and a lot of trusted partners in here. So let's see the agency partners. So this is the agency partners. As you see, Article Leaf, Glendale Designs, TyloGray.com, AWD Agency, Comanche, NetElixir.com, Seed, Leslie Kirk, PSI.net. So they have a lot of agency partners also, as we can see. So let's go back. Let's go back to the main page and let's check free product tour. So if you want to schedule a 15-minute consultation, you can schedule it from here. You just choose the date that suits you. Let's say, for example, the 28th. Let's choose the time stamp that suits us. Let's see, 5 p.m. And then you verify your information and then you hit confirm to confirm your consultation date. So I'm going to go back because I don't want to book a consultation. So let's go back. Let's close this tab and let's scroll down to the bottom of the platform. And here we can see under the partners section, we can see become a partner. So let's hit become a partner. If you want to become a partner with the platform, you click become a partner, you fill this information by writing your first name and your last name, your job title, then your company name, your email, and your business phone. Then you tell them about your project and you send your application to become a partner with the platform. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.